Bored with your hair? Feeling dull? This quarantine got you down? I got an idea. Let's spice it up. I'm going unicorn. I'm talking blue, pink, purple, all of it. How do you feel about that? Yes, let's do it. Bye-bye natural aesthetic. And hello synthetic. Corona who? Give me blue. So first we're going to need scissors, a hair clip, hair crack, very important, I love you. Pure lanolin or any moisturizer you prefer. I like this because it's cheap. Yep, $2.99 is cheap. So let's get started. My hair is pre-washed, so any white parts you see is just a reflection of the water and maybe a little bit of conditioner I left in, but I don't mind doing that because it moisturizes my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and split it up into 4 sections. I'm cute and I know it. You don't got to tell me. So I'm going to go ahead and put the moisturizer at the root of my locks and retwist because I'll be keeping this style in for the remainder of the quarantine. Hopefully it doesn't last that much longer. How you guys feeling about that? So I have my 2 locks ready to go and they're nice and tight at the root. I'm going to take my extension piece and just twist it into my locks. I'm not really trying to hide my hair because I'm only doing this style for a color boost. The most important part of this style is locking that weave as tight and close to the scalp as possible because it makes for a longer lasting hairstyle. And now you're going to twist it all the way down and secure it with a clear rubber band. That was easy. Now just have 1,000 more to go. It wasn't that bad actually. I got this hairstyle done in about 3 hours. All done. I'm feeling cute and colorful. My mood is definitely boosted, but first we have to deal with these ends. You gotta roll them up and dip them in hot water. And va-va-voom, unicorn stepped in the room. Oh my god, I love it. This is not my normal color scheme, but like I said, I need a boost, and this style did just that. I went ahead and clipped my ends as close to the rubber band as possible because I felt like it gave it a neater look. And by the way, do y'all like my new background? Because I'm feeling like an official YouTuber. Ayy. Anyway, bye-bye for now. Keep them hands washed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Wow!